So I finally made a budget again. Color-coded, labeled, motivational quotes in the margins. I was ready. I even lit a candle for abundance energy. Then I checked my account and realized I had $27.54 and a coupon for expired almond milk. The budget looked amazing on paper, but reality was out here doing WWE moves on my peace of mind. My car needed brakes, my niece's birthday came out of nowhere, and my favorite snack went up by $2.39. Again, I tried to track my spending, opened 5 budgeting apps, spent 3 hours customizing categories, then spent $80 on emotional resilience tacos. I told myself, this is the last time. The last time I'd go over budget. The last time I'd use Afterpay on a Target run. The last time I'd cry while transferring $12 from my savings account, aka the world's most dramatic piggy bank. But you know what keeps breaking the budget? Me and life. And my constant belief that a Filer coffee will somehow fix my entire financial identity. Budgeting at 40 isn't about being perfect. It's about surviving the chaos with slightly less panic. It's about realizing that every time you start over, you're not failing, you're fighting. You're fighting habits, expectations, shame, and the ghost of your 25-year-old self who thought 100K was going to be so much money. I used to think being broke meant I was lazy or dumb. Now I know. Being broke just means I'm human in an economy built like a Jenga tower in a wind tunnel. So here's what I'm doing now. I use one budget app, not 7. I round up every grocery trip by 10% for oops, I forgot that items. I schedule my spending like appointments, because if it's not on the calendar, my chaos will win. And I give myself grace. Like actual grace. Not the I'll budget next month kind. Because the truth is money's not just math. It's emotional. It's messy. And sometimes budgeting is less about saving 5 and more about not spiraling when you feel behind at 40. So if your budget is more of a suggestion than a plan, if you're tired of adulting, broke, but still trying, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell the algorithm that 40-year-olds need a win today. And hey, even if your wallet's empty, at least your sense of humor is paid in full.